As we squish them, they just eat, because they eat everything. Anything in their path, they'll eat, including each other. Once they start to get real squished on the road, it's almost like an oil slick. I actually, at this intersection, was coming home, and as I came around the corner, I came around a little too fast, and I about ended up in the ditch full of water. It was pretty intense.
Probably about a week and a half ago, the Mormon crickets have invaded this area of Elko, and we've kind of let them go for the past week. Just kind of let them take their course, hoping they would move on and die, but they haven't. So today, the wife, my grandson Levi, decided to go ahead and start to at least clean off the house, rid of all the poop and pee, and start to wash the house. And the only really way to start to get rid of them is to vacuum them up, sweep them up, put them in a large garbage can, and then just kind of throw them away. But we expect we'll have to do this for the next 5 or 6 days as they just keep coming and coming and coming.